Hey there. Today, I want to talk about something absolutely vital in the world of medicine, anesthesia. So, what exactly is anesthesia? Simply put, anesthesia is a way to control pain during surgery or other medical procedures. It ensures that patients are comfortable, pain-free, and unaware of what's happening. Now let's dive into why anesthesia is so crucial. First off, it makes surgery possible. Imagine trying to perform a complex surgery on a fully awake patient. The pain and stress would be unbearable for them. Anesthesia allows surgeons to work without causing unnecessary suffering. There are different types of anesthesia too. Local anesthesia numbs just a small part of the body. Regional anesthesia blocks pain in a larger area like an entire limb. And then there's general anesthesia, which puts the patient into a deep sleep. Each type has its own specific uses and benefits. But anesthesia isn't just about making patients comfortable. It also plays a critical role in patient safety. By keeping the body still, it reduces the risk of injury during procedures. Plus, it can control vital functions like breathing and blood pressure, which are crucial during surgery. Anesthesiologists, the doctors who specialize in anesthesia, are like the unsung heroes of the operating room. They monitor the patient's vital signs, adjust the anesthesia as needed, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Their expertise is essential for a successful surgery. In summary, anesthesia is a cornerstone of modern medicine. It makes surgery possible, ensures patient comfort, and plays a key role in safety. Next time you hear about a surgery, remember, anesthesia is what makes it all possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more medical insights. See you next time.